I wanted to show you some cat headbands that I bought to my daughters at Walmart. A lot of you may know they're very in right now, and God bless me with having two girls, which I love girls. You know everything about dresses, bows, and hairstyles. So I loved it. I think I went a little bit overboard buying some cat headbands, but they were so pretty. So if you guys are trying to find some cat headbands and you don't want to go online, I really recommend you to go to Walmart. They have a lot of beauties that I'm going to be showing you right now. So stay there. So the first one that I want to show you guys is this beautiful headband right here. And they were all like $3.88. I have some like $2.88, so it's really not that expensive. Very good and very nice. I don't know if you guys could appreciate the beads and the crystal that it has here, but I love it. I'm gonna be showing you guys pictures so you guys can see how they look on. Very, very nice. So the next one I'm gonna show you is this one. Look how beautiful is this. It has like rose gold and beige flowers. So beautiful. The other one that I'm gonna share with you is this cat headband here. Look how nice is that. I'm telling you, when I went to that area and I saw all of these, my daughters were asking me for it for school, and I loved it. I couldn't even decide which one I wanted to buy for them. So this one has a lot of crystals too. Maybe the light you can't see to hold the crystals, but it has some crystals too. Very nice. The other one is this one. As you guys can see, it doesn't have the cardboard here because they already put it on. And it also has two lines of beads. And this one is silver. The one before I show you is gold. And the flower one was gold too. They're all like basically gold, silver, and black. So as you guys can see, this one is black and silver here with crystal too. I don't know if you guys could appreciate the crystal there, but you guys have to go to Walmart. A lot of them, very, very nice. This one is another one. This one was for $2.88. Like a lot of tone colors. As you guys can see here. Very nice. So when I go close there, let me see if I can show you the other ones closer too, so you guys can appreciate. I already showed you these, but I'm just putting a closer look. Like rhinestone color, and then the flower one, and this one. This one has beads all the way here and here. So you guys may hear my daughters around there laughing. This one is another one. This one is with beads. Gold. is black and then it has like lace inside of the ear, of the cat ear, and it's like light pink. And this one, I love it. This one is like, if you guys could see, it changed like the color. I love this one. It looks like a rainbow. Love this one. And the last one, but not least, is this one right here. So this one, I bought it for Easter, and this one came with a choker, a pink choker, and I'm gonna be showing you pictures for them in Easter so you guys can see it with the headband. And it has the flowers, and it's like a beige color. This one is one of my other favorite ones too. There is like so many, so nice. Let me put the rainbow one here. What do you think, guys? Well, that was it for my cat headbands. I really had to do this video because I know a lot of people are looking for them and they are so pretty. And maybe if you, like I said in the beginning, if you can't buy online or you don't know, Walmart has a lot of them, which I love them. I couldn't even decide. So there you go, guys. See you in the next video.